Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, just want to report volcano, another volcano erupting. Indonesia volcano erupts near the third biggest city. It says it's called the Tangkuban volcano. I'm probably not pronouncing it right. Tangkuban Perahu volcano. Sorry, but it's yeah, it says the volcano erupts near Indonesia, the third biggest city in Bandung on Friday. It says sending ashes several hundred feet yards into the air, and it says that the volcano was caused alert evacuation. So there's some evacuation of the volcano. Is about 18 miles north of Bandung, capital of West Java province. And as you know, this is in the Ring of Fire, where there's a lot of volcanoes happening as well on that. So this is the latest on volcanoes that are erupting as we speak on that. So keep you posted regarding more information on it. There's no tsunami warnings or anything like that yet, but we'll keep you posted. This has just happened, so we'll keep you posted on that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.